quick video. We have some success with the motor. After watching a few more little YouTube clips and getting some more advice about powering a three-phase motor from single phase, as I don't currently have my inverter or anywhere to plug this in, I've run it from my single phase, reconfigured it to delta. I have live, neutral, obviously the casing's earthed. Then I've taken from the live, bridged across to the third phase, and I'm just running it to test using the capacitor off of my single phase motor. I think the capacitor's about 160 UF. So that is currently how I'm going to test it. And we have a running, working motor. Lovely job.
You will explore the past, present, and future of the artist in question. Now, yesterday,
that's what we wanted to see. Now I don't need to buy a new one. Happy days. Thanks for all your help.